First up this evening, a dramatic rescue unfolded in Manor View Drive in St. Andrew today.
An elderly blind woman from the community fell nearly 30 feet into a gully in the community.
Yes, Kalisha, and I was on the scene of this particular incident, and as you'll hear in this report, the high incidence of bushfires across the country is impacting the pace at which firefighters can respond to other emergencies. Residents, police and firefighters focusing on a section of the Cassava Peace Gully in Manor View Drive in St. Andrew. Nearly 30 feet below, a woman lies on the ground, grimacing in pain. She is blind and elderly. Residents claim she fell into the gully from 9 a.m.
But you go on the wrong side, because I never see her and time if I see her, we never care on the side here. But when I see her this man, I never hear her. So she take the wrong side she take now, coming down. She go step the wrong way, and so she step after the gully. And I see her just to get help, just to come. Our time now, and we are called from 9 o'clock, and I know we don't see nothing. We call station, we call fire brigade station, we call ambulance, and nothing we don't see. We go here, hold on, about cars, and we want to buy along for paid.
Police rebuffed the claims that they took 3 hours to respond.
Nobody, no. Nobody no call. Nobody no nothing about this.
No, me show you. We take line. Chris, don't say this line.
Back in the gully, a resident used an old umbrella to shield the woman from more pain, while a plan was being devised to rescue her. Using a mix of rope, 2 ladders and cardboard, the firemen created a pulley to hoist her free. But after several pulls, she nearly fell again. It became clear that wouldn't work, so they turned to plan B. That meant walking nearly 5 minutes away to another section of the gully. There, flies, insects, a nasty smell, and a mountain of debris and garbage greeted the rescue team.
I'm standing in absolute filth, literally filth. Pampers, baby diapers, all sorts of debris and garbage scattered here behind this home and going down into the gully. But in the most irony of ironies, this heap of debris and garbage and filth actually provided a solution for this dramatic rescue mission here this afternoon, because it was this pile of garbage that residents accumulated here over the years, this dumping their garbage illegally, that really provided the steps for the residents and firefighters to emerge out of this gully and into this backyard with the injured woman to take her off to get medical attention.
The rescued woman was placed into the back of the police service van and taken to hospital. District Officer Ainsworth Allison explained why his team from Trenchtown in downtown Kingston had to respond to this situation in the north of St. Andrew.
At this time, we're having a lot of bushfire calls, so the closest stations are out on fire calls, so we had to respond.
Tell me about the challenges that you experienced today with this rescue.
It is a great challenge because she fell in the gully and there was nowhere to pull her out. So we have to walk way down the gully where there is garbage pile up. So we have to use the garbage pile up as to make a road to take her out of the gully.
So what is the state of the woman like? Broken limbs? What you see so far?
Well, so far we haven't identified any broken limbs, but the police is taking her to the hospital, so she will be treated.